be Philadelphia family in heaven. I will be there. You will be there. There will be Philadelphia family in heaven. I will be there. You will be there. She all over me. It's moving me around. It's turning me around. It's moving me around. All over me. It's moving me around. The Holy Ghost power is moving me around. And for all my fans, all my Ghanaian fans, everywhere, if you're my Liberian fans, Yankopon Shirao. Philadelphia, Adeshekonkon, believers all the way. Adumo, Adum Alakwa. Second Sons TV, say Tihuani, Upo, Umpo. Philadelphia movement, we are taking over. We are taking over. You can't beat them, can't join them. What I say? Oh, yeah, they Adum, the voice of God. Upo, Umpo. As if you know, Ampa, you know. Asama ya papa Stefanu Chedi aka okonya asem enkofo di na tem wo se hwi ni ho ampa eso hwi ni ho ede na ho onyame tumi na ho onyame asem na ho sebe wiase ete no ya dwenya baako obu ndc obu npp so no yonkonya adwan eno kise otamfo no anakaseti ya no because obi ofim obi asan orutu ni bafo obi asan orutu ni members fo to the obi to ni there please atemidi emfa for so bi amba cause the voice of God Stephen Adum Chedua, the man of the moment, the whole Ghana, either you like or you don't like, we are moving forward. 31st it means that over 200 peoples, no collection for a sick of coffee. For cotton subenum. What has I see? Now, Honto. Philadelphia. There will be Philadelphia family in heaven. I will be there. You will be there one day. There will be Philadelphia family in heaven. I will be there. You will be there. Pam, 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 pam. Yes, if you know a day, Nene, o mame yo, o papa yo, if you fear, ya empire, if you fear a bed now, sub one young pampa sole. Tinin the wados. Koyale, Nado Bancha, Machine Kunai. I'm a cast and puncher, or not because I did the a bukuma, other 4 million Ghana for you understand. Oh, sole. Tipapoe abawiase abagana Yankopon ayina ma ya wiemremu ama ya dwen free tetenema no so ana ma ame yo ufiefo yo ukromu de okwa abawu papa yi ya dwen free so ma na ukokro nkwa wo de ne gena ko ontan obi ontan onua ko ba bosen wonu so ne owo believers man nyina Philadelphia movement yenu so ne wo ya busua baako asore bu billions ye shi obi a o believer ba biara it didn't come was busunya because as my pastor and Chedua kind was if you know why uncle for a dinner term, please think twice. Dream me no Miss you know no ma Mena maker, oh the uncle, Opa can say you own agidi. If you say Nyamine bo confor Ebo malam Ebo dunsini Abo bi owes tumi bi owes bi ensuo na sesa Nyankopon na obo se tumi we nyina no wo se nyame ndo akoma so na ne nanam a hwan de bayifo na hwan de konfo na hwan na mala tumi nyina do obo tumi nyina no na odi na chi no tu nsuo bi abim to se hwi ni ho ampa hwi ni ho be se woni nyame de a bayifo ho konfo ho mala ho ebetimaku but if you believe God you know. So I down for the president. Yaman penny. Nana down for Kufodo. I down for no na. O the MP yet bay. O be different MP now. And MP be any ho. Minister be any ho. This is bien. Yes. So I don't funny IGP, Mr. Dampale. Now the two said the Elkoba. Post limit me at one sergeant, now one couple, now one inspector. Debbie, IGP, you know. It's he knew believers man, he knew a dan yada. Opakasebu, yea, ye would da. Ya sin your book. And Terry, tie, was today, Debia Mukan and Wasem, or Teda, and then Nasem, Yamia Shilla no. Adum Yame. What does it? Adum Yame. Yamia Shilla, then what telling Casa baby, Daya Koyanim, enti Jadede, Demo Bacavia, believers my yen tio. Unya dream pa yama face believers all the way we are taking over for now. Ain't that for what we're gonna say fear for you, one now for you, Okoton de Yanto, and fancy before. Cobabu see be our name. Bonia would did in there a real person. If you do good, do for yourself. If you do bad, do for yourself. Yeah, papa, na we minimum what to ye. Where papa no? So when this come pono mo bompa nyankopon ma no nche nda no nse no dida but okuta dwum bona wo kire wa unya boafo believers ma yes strong yeni diatem ebuade ye brɛ ho asesanse unyame ne kura emu ode eko nyame kura nsa de utukwa ya wane bayfo no wane konfo no wane malam we are moving forward. Solely I am for 300, 500. I am for Timinkai. Ministers, MPs, lawyers, CRD. Every Obi Bia. Oh, believers. Believer Hospital Center. I have been Philadelphia movement, the whole Ghana. Baby, Aboche baby, you are taking over. Come on to him. When you mean, what's that for you? Then you mention no. Open the ye. Anamo dikai, ne dikai. You can never stop. Please stop what you are doing. Cousin Papa. Can you just sem? Shimkune. Na doba enye ni just ampende so. We are day. We know. What day? We are day. We know. They always nyame to me. Yankopon share mu nyina. Me fans am with my Instagram. YouTube everywhere. Please, if it's necro for nature, Believers Worship Center, the Voice of God, Stephen Adum Chedria, Pokriasi Wakatapa Estate, Pokriasi every Friday, Sunday Kumasi Teacher Nkwanta, Wednesday Kumasi Teacher Nkwanta, Ultima Tenafie, UTV, Sunday Fatal Life, Friday Fatal Life, Wednesday Fatal Life, Friday one message, and one baby, yes baby, believers all the way. There will be Philadelphia family in heaven. I will be there. You will be there. There will be Philadelphia family in heaven. I will be there. You will be there. Nankopon share me fans for you na. Adofo, nyam fo ni share Believer Worship Center. The Voice of God, Stephen Adum Chedria, man of God. I don't like, we don't like. We are taking over. Nankopon share mo nyina.